नमस्कार दोस्तों, आपका स्वागत है हमारे चैनल टेक टॉक पर। तो आज हम लोग पढ़ेंगे साइबर सिक्योरिटी के बारे में। साइबर सिक्योरिटी क्या होती है और साइबर सिक्योरिटी करके हम साइबर क्राइम से कैसे बच सकते हैं। तो शुरू करता हूं मैं प्रेजेंटेशन। सबसे पहले साइबर सिक्योरिटी या साइबर क्राइम क्या है। The crime committed using a computer and internet to steal a person's identity or legal importance and malicious program. Cybercrime is nothing but where the computer is used and object or subject of the crime. तो इसका मतलब यही है कि जहां हम कंप्यूटर को एज अ सब्जेक्ट या ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करते हैं दूसरे के इनलीगल एक्टिविटीज़ में, पर्सनल आइडेंटिटी चोरी करने में, इन सब में वो एक तरह से साइबर क्राइम है। इसको दो तरह से कैटेगराइज किया गया है। पहला है द कंप्यूटर एज अ टारगेट यूजिंग अ कंप्यूटर अटैक अदर कंप्यूटर्स। मतलब कंप्यूटर को टारगेट बनाना है, अपने कंप्यूटर से किसी दूसरे के कंप्यूटर को टारगेट करना, ये एक तरह से हो गया। और दूसरा है कंप्यूटर एज अ वेपन यूजिंग अ कंप्यूटर कमिटेड रियल वर्ल्ड क्राइम्स। एक कंप्यूटर का प्रयोग करके रियल वर्ल्ड क्राइम कैसे करते हैं, ये भी हम देखेंगे आगे। तो इसमें टाइप ऑफ साइबर क्राइम्स जो हैं मेनली कितने तरह के हैं, ऐसे तो कई तरह के हैं, लेकिन मेनली जो देखने में आते हैं उसमें है हैकिंग है, चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी है, डिनाइल ऑफ सर्विस अटैक है, वायरस डिसमेंशंस हैं, कंप्यूटर साइबर टेररिज्म है, सॉफ्टवेयर की पायरेसी है। चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी हम लोग सभी जानते हैं, इंटरनेट पर हाई स्पीड से यूज टू रीच एंड अब्यूज चिल्ड्रन सेक्सुअली वर्ल्ड वाइड। As more homes have access to internet, more children would be using the internet and more are the chances of falling victim and aggressing of pedophiles। मतलब इंटरनेट की उपलब्धता इतनी आसानी से हो गई है कि अब बच्चे भी उसमें इंटरनेट पे आ गए हैं, जिससे चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी को काफ़ी मतलब जो चाइल्ड पोर्नोग्राफी करते हैं उनको आसान टारगेट्स मिल गए हैं। डिनाइल ऑफ सर्विस अटैक, दिस इज एन एक्ट ऑफ क्रिमिनल हु लोड द बैंडविड्थ ऑफ द विक्टिम नेटवर्क और फिल्स हिज ईमेल बॉक्स विद स्पैम मेल ड्रॉपिंग हिम टू द सर्विसेज ऑफ द entitled to the access to provide virus dispension, malicious software that attack itself to other software, virus worms, trojan horse, webjacking and email bombing. These are the virus dispensations. Computer vandalism, damaging and destroying data rather than stealing or mixing them into other cyber vandalism. Transmitting virus, these are the programs that attach themselves of a file and then circulate. Software piracy, the theft of the software through the illegal copying on genuine program or the counterfeiting and distribution of product indeed to pass for the original. Then what is cyber security? Cyber security, also referred to the information technology security, focus on protecting computers, network programs, data from unencrypted and unauthorized access, change or destruction. Then why cyber security is important? Government, military, corporation, finance institution, hospital and other business collect, process and store a great deal of confidential information on computer and transmit them data across network to the other computers. With a growing volume and explosions of cyber attack, ongoing attention is required to protect sensitive business and personal information as well as सेफगार्ड नेशन सिक्योरिटी। साइबर सिक्योरिटी के जो टर्म्स क्या क्या होते हैं, एक्सेस मीन्स होता है द एबिलिटी एंड मीन्स द communicate with or otherwise interact with a system, to use system resource, to handle information, to gain knowledge of the information the system contain or control system components and function. These are called access. Active attack, actual assault prepared by an international threat source that attempt to alter a system, its resource, its data or its operations. Blacklist, a list of entries that are blocked or denied privilege of access. Bot क्या होते हैं? Bot, a computer connected to the internet that has been superstitious, secretly compromised with a malicious logic to perform activities under a remote command and control of a remote administrator. Critical infrastructure, the administrator and asset, whether physical or virtual, so vital of society that the incapacity of destruction of such may have a debilitating impact on the security, income, public health or the safety environment, or the combination of these matters. Cyberspace, the interdependent network of information technology infrastructures that include the internet, telecommunication networks, computer systems and embedded process and control. Data breach, the unauthorized movement on disclosure of sensitive information of a party, usually outside from organization that is not authorized to have or see the information. Whitelist, a list of entries that are considered trustworthy and granted access or privilege. Phishing, a digital from a social engineering to deceive individual into providing sensitive information. मेजर सिक्योरिटी प्रॉब्लम्स में हैकर हैं, वायरस हैं, मालवेयर हैं, ट्रोजन horses and password crackings. These are the commonly problem in cyber security problems. Virus and worms. A virus is a program that is loaded into more computer without your knowledge and runs against your wishes. जो आपकी इच्छा से काम नहीं करते हैं, एक बार आपके कंप्यूटर में आ जाते हैं और विदाउट आपकी परमिशन वो काम करते रहते हैं. Hacking is a simple term, means an illegal intrusion into a computer system and or network. It is also known as cracking. Government websites are the hot target of the hackers due to the press coverage. It receives hackers joy the media coverage. Malware, software that compromises the operation of system by performing an unauthorized function or process. Malware, the word malware comes from the terms malicious software. Malware is any software that infected and damaged a computer system without the owner's knowledge or permissions. Trojan horse are the email virus that can duplicate themselves, steal information or harm the computer system. These viruses are the most serious threat of the computer. Password cracking is the process of guessing or recovering a password from stored location or from data transmission system. It is used to get a password for unauthorized access or to cover up forgotten password. In penetration testing, it is used to check the security of an application. Security threats on WhatsApp users. Web malware. Now that you can see WhatsApp via a web interface, there are people out the distribution bad download links and look like real WhatsApp client, but will saddle you with a bunch of malware. Kaspersky Labs found a number of these suspicious download in a variety of languages. Crash messages. Safety tips of cybersecurity. First, use antivirus softwares, insert firewalls, uninstall unnecessary software, maintain backup, check security settings, stay anonymous, choose a brandless screen name, never give your full name or address to stranger. Advantage of cybersecurity. The cybersecurity will defend us from critical attacks. It helps us to browse the website, internet security process, all the incoming and outgoing data on your computer. It will defend us from hacks and virus. Application of cybersecurity used in our PC needed update every week. Conclusion. The cybersecurity is indeed getting the recognition it deserves. However, it is not going to restrict that easily. In fact, it is highly likely and cybercrime and its hackers will continue developing and upgrading to stay ahead of the law. So, to make us safer, we must needed cybersecurity. Cyber threat evaluation. Virus 1977, breaking website 1995, malicious code 2000, advanced warn Trojan I love you 2003-204, identity theft या phishing 2005 to 2006, organized crime data theft DOS and DDoS 2007 to 8. Security tips for persons.